Well, hello there, and welcome to Magento Screencasts. In this video, we'll tell you how to create dependent custom options, sometimes referred to as conditional logic. This will let you display on the front end certain product variations only after specific conditions are met. Dependencies help stimulate sales of the targeted items, increase order value, promote certain products, and achieve other marketing and sales goals. So let's get the ball rolling. To tweak the functionality, jump over here. Then select a product with custom options and click Edit. Go to this tab. The dependency settings are located here next to the product options values. Our extension offers to set either and or dependency. Dependency allows displaying the dependent child options when the main parent one is selected. Or dependency sets the scenario when the child option gets displayed given that any of the parent options get selected. And dependency sets the scenario when the child option gets displayed given that all the parent options are selected. Click here, then select the dependent type you need. In this field, you can specify parent options. When these product variations get selected on the front end, they'll trigger the display of the options values. If no parent options is set, the product options values will be constantly displayed on the front end. Let me walk you through configuration of one of the examples I've got. Here's what you see on the front end. The configurations we've got on the back end. I've got some PC system block here. As you see, RAM size, hard drive, OS, are custom product options. Here they are in the back end. These values are set as OR dependencies. You see that the options values are constantly displayed on the front end. That's because no parent option has been specified for them. Values for the SSD and HDD hard drive types get displayed right after one of these options is selected. Thus, these hard drive types have been set as parent options in the back end. Check it out. The beauty of AND dependency is the possibility to offer specific products or services only after certain values are chosen. In my example, I offer premium support. To get 6-month support, the shopper would have to choose both 16 GB RAM size and this SSD type. Or, to get a 1-year support, my customer would need to select the following values. Here's how the configurations for my premium support services look like in the back end. After you've selected the AND dependency, set the parent options. The navigation is easy and supports multi-select for your convenience. Note that sometimes the title of a product variation may be just the same as the title of an option. To distinguish them, you'll need to enable Title Identifier. To do that, go here. And select Yes. After you've enabled the title identifier, you can manage the ID both for the option and option value. When specified, it will be shown in the brackets. I guess that's it. Now you know how to create dependent custom options with the help of our flagship Advanced Product Options extension. See other sequel videos to discover more must-have functionality and configure the extension with ease. Still got questions? Feel free to check out the user manual or contact our awesome support team.